My name is Lori Bratcher, and I am the Safety Coordinator for Plant 210 in Moultrie, Georgia. We'd like you to join us on our video to familiarize you with the hazards that you will associate while visiting here and the rules and policies that we have in place to keep you safe. Thank you and welcome. While visiting our plant, you will see that we take safety seriously, very seriously, not just for our employees, but for our visitors too. Sign in with the front office or the shipping office every time you visit. By signing in, letting us know what areas you will need access to, and staying within those areas, we can help keep you safe in the event of emergencies. All employees and visitors are required to wear the necessary personal protective equipment. You must wear closed-toed shoes with non-slip soles, no sandals, Crocs, or flip-flops. You must wear a brightly colored vest while on the yard. You must wear a hard hat when strapping or unstrapping a load, or if you're working in an area where falling objects present a hazard, as well as any areas marked Caution Hard Hat Area. You must wear safety glasses everywhere in this facility, outside and inside, except for break rooms. You must also wear earplugs while in production areas. If you don't have earplugs, safety glasses, a hard hat, or a vest and you need one, please let us know. We will gladly provide you with one while you're here. For contractors working on projects within our plant, please get with our plant management prior to beginning your project. We will need to go over a list of necessary items, such as your contractor certificate of insurance, a contract of your health and safety program. We need to make sure that you're aware and understand our plant safety policy, the location of our SDS book, and understand that you shall fully comply with all local, state, and federal laws with regard to safety, including maintaining OSHA compliance. We need you to understand that you're fully liable for the safety of your employees while at our plant. Please inform us of any hazardous materials that you intend to bring into our plant and provide safety data sheets for each of those materials. We also need you to understand the permit and plan required for confined space entry. While you are at our plant, we want you to be alert and aware of your surroundings, so please, no earbuds or headphones. Employees may not wear loose clothing or jewelry as they are considered a safety hazard. Employees will be instructed on the proper attire for performing their job and will be held responsible to dress accordingly. Nobody under the age of 18 can be in the production area or yards during operation. UFP is a weapons-free facility. We have zero tolerance for violence in the workplace. For your safety, you will be accompanied by a UFP employee during your visit. If you are a truck driver, a forklift driver will escort you to your loading or unloading area. Please have your flashers turned on anytime you are driving through our plant. Truck drivers, please remember, you cannot move loads without first strapping the load down. If moving the load within the yard, one strap must be over each row. You cannot throw banders, runners, wood, or trash on the ground. You must wear a hard hat when strapping down your load. And we ask that you please stay in your vehicle or you will not get your trailer loaded. Our plant has a lot going on. Please stay only where you are conducting business. Don't wander in areas that you are not working in. While here, please watch your speed, no more than 10 miles an hour in our plant, and please watch out for pedestrians, golf carts, forklifts, and other visitors. There's a lot of traffic on our yard. Often, pedestrians and drivers of other vehicles can't see you until it's too late, so keep a good amount of distance between you and other pedestrians and vehicles. Don't assume that they can see you, and always be aware of their location. Stay alert and pay attention to where you're going. No pictures or videos may be taken or interviews performed with employees without prior approval from our legal department. Every employee will receive appropriate safety training prior to performing his or her job. Employees are prohibited from performing functions for which they have not been appropriately trained. For our visitors, we ask that you perform only the functions for which you are here. Employees are encouraged to immediately notify management of any safety hazards or unsafe conditions. But if while visiting you notice something unsafe, please let us know immediately. Absolutely no horseplay of any kind will be tolerated on our premises. Employees and visitors are required to obey the no smoking rules and are not allowed to smoke anywhere except for designated smoking areas. You must place cigarette butts in the receptacles provided. We will be more than happy to show you where our smoking areas are located. Just ask. Employees will be instructed on proper lifting and material handling and will be responsible for performing their job within the stated guidelines. Employees will be instructed on proper emergency evacuation and response. They will be held responsible for understanding and following the procedures for emergency evacuation. Should an emergency arise, you will be notified on proper protocols and expected to follow them. Employees are required to obey warning signs and hazard postings. Also, in each break room is a copy of the plant's safety data sheet book. Employees are responsible to maintain their own work areas. Restrooms, break rooms, walkways, offices, driveways, and the yard will also be kept clean, orderly, and properly maintained. As a visitor, please ensure to clean up after yourself so our plant stays safe and clean. Employees and visitors are prohibited from removing, altering, or tampering with any safety guards or safety mechanisms without management approval. Employees will be trained on the appropriate measures for lockout-tagout and will be held responsible for obeying the rules associated with lockout-tagout. Employees and visitors are prohibited from using compressed air to clean off their bodies or clothing or electrical boxes. If compressed air is used to clean off work surfaces and equipment other than electrical boxes, the air hose shall be fitted with an appropriate nozzle so that the pressure is less than 30 psi on the tip of the nozzle is blocked. Employees and visitors are not allowed to adjust, fix, or maintain equipment unless specifically authorized by management to do so. As a visitor, if you need to use our equipment or tools, you must first have permission from plant management. Also, please know that there may be other rules or regulations we may need you to follow, depending on what area of the plant you will be working in and what type of work you will be doing. Please follow all of our general safety rules because these rules are here for your protection and your safety, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you for helping us keep our plant a safe place to work and visit. Have a great day and stay safe.